Good day everyone, my name is Arthur, back again with another video. So as you can see right now, we're running a Black Friday, and of course everything is on discount. Triangle Crypto Arbitrage Scanner is only at 69 USD and stuff like that. And you can also check out heavycryptouniversity.online. A lot of stuff are on discount, right? Triangle Crypto Arbitrage Scanner is 69 and still on a discount. Signal Strike, of course, one-on-one mentorship, and of course Cobra Arbitrage is also on a discount only for 99. So the link to Heavy Crypto University is going to be in the description below as well. But other than that, I just wanted to let you know, guys, that we're running this promotion. And of course, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below, and we're gonna randomly pick up anyone and gonna give access for a month, right, to use a Triangle Crypto Arbitrage Scanner for a month. So this is, my name is Arthur, guys, back, and I guess I'll see you in the video. And I also wanted to let you know that we started our challenge of turning 20k to 100k. We're still going on. I've got some positions open on Bybit exchange, and of course on OKX exchange. So we're running a lot of stuff right now, and you're gonna be posting daily on this channel, so make sure you stick around. And if you wanna get a chance to win or have access to Triangle Crypto Arbitrage and stuff like that, make sure you just comment in the comment section below, and we randomly gonna pick up a win and stuff like that. And therefore, guys, I'll send the video. Love and peace, and cheers.